Hi everybody, welcome to the Endless Simmer, where we like spicy food, cook a lot of meat, have some good old family fun. Let's get started. I got my chef assistant D with me right here. We call him Barbecue Master D, Cool D. We don't call him Little D. He doesn't like that, but he's going to tell us what we're going to be doing today. D, what we got?
I'm going to cook a brisket on the Cajun Microwave.
Man, after that, we're going to go finish it off on a barbecue pit, some wood smoke flavor on it. Just give it that nice little touch. What you think it's going to taste like?
It's going to be off the chain.
So this is our big slab of meat.
So first, we're going to inject this bad boy with some marinade to make it nice and juicy.
Then we're going to take some dry rub. We like to use Stubbs, but you can use whatever you want. Rub down the outside and get it ready to put in the Cajun microwave.
We don't really own a hairbrush, but we know a lot about good food. We're gonna vacuum seal this and marinate it for 8 hours. And it's gonna be legit.
So now it's marinating in the refrigerator. We're going to take it out in about 8 hours. We're going to put it on the Cajun microwave and we're going to get it started. How do you think it's going to come out?
It's going to be delicious.
Yeah, I definitely agree. We'll see in just a little bit. So now it's midnight. This brisket's been in the fridge for about 8 hours. As soon as the fire is ready, I'm going to go put it in the Cajun microwave. But first I have to transfer it to this pot behind me.
Simone in Breaux Bridge, Louisiana.
So the way it works is, as you saw earlier, I put the meat inside and we put coals on top. We want to let it cook in here for about 9 hours, and then we'll finish it on the barbecue pit. So while it's cooking, we check this thermometer and we keep it between 200 and 250. No more than 250, and try to keep it closer to 200 for the whole time. If it starts getting a little low, we add a couple of more coals to the top. So if it gets a little too hot, we'll pull one off. But that's basically how it works. It's almost like a Dutch oven. And man, it's gonna be pretty good.
This here might just look like a pretty cool tricycle, but it's more than meets the eye.
This is a barbecue pit. We're gonna put the brisket, take the brisket out the Cajun microwave and put it in this bad boy.
So now the brisket is out the microwave. We're about to throw it in that bite barbecue pit. We like to call it the Barbecruiser, but it's looking pretty good. They have one little spot where the juices kind of pulled up and it didn't char, but man, I'm ready to eat this thing, but got a couple more hours at least. And this is the finished product. Perfectly charred, looks really good. It seems to be really juicy. We'll know when we cut it, but we gotta wait an hour. But this is a combination of a Cajun microwave and then smoking it on a barbecue pit, Texas style. Louisiana meets Texas. I think it's gonna come out really great. So here it is. It's been sitting for about an hour. The internal temp was 140. I like to go down to about 130, 120, somewhere in between there, but we're hungry. So we're gonna cut this bad boy open. We're gonna see what it looks like, and we're gonna have a little taste test, see what everybody thinks. First, let's just go right down the middle here. Oh man, looks like it's pretty good and tender. A little tough toward the bottom maybe, but I think, oh yeah, it's definitely juicy. If you spread it out, hold on. Yeah, definitely looks good. You can see that's one juicy piece of meat. So now we have a few samples, and as you can see, we're all here ready to take a taste. We're going to take a piece of this thick end first and see how it goes. So everybody, get your sample, take a taste of it. See, it's tender. I'm cutting it with a fork. So. So what do y'all think?
I like it good.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Is it juicy?
Juicy,
Tender?
Yeah.
All right. So definitely have some good flavor to it. Marinade is good. See what that point tastes like. Now, this is the very tip, so it's a little drier than what's in the center. But I didn't want to cut it down the middle and let the point dry out before we started eating. Remember, you're chewing on camera. They're going to hear every smack. So what do y'all think of the point? Did you taste it yet?
This one tastes better. This one tastes way better.
Better?
I haven't even
That
tasted
one's
it
more
yet.
juicy, but this one's.
Oh yeah.
Mm.
It's not quite as moist as the other one. Not as juicy, but Oh, it's good. Real good. So what do you think? The Cajun Microwave and the barbecue combined smoking it was a success?
I think it was a success.
I think so too.
This was good.
So, it's good. Dee gives it the thumbs up. Luke, thumbs up. Bryce, thumbs up. Coleman, nobody cares. Just joking. Thumbs up, man.
That's mean.
So, thanks for watching our video. If you like what you see, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave a good comment. If it's a bad comment, just send it to me privately. Nobody needs to know about it. But please enjoy some more episodes. We'll put them up. And we'll see you next time from the Endless Simmer. Thank you all, and have a good one.